To determine if a number is a prime number, there's two rules. The first rule is that the number must be greater than 1. So 1, 0 and negative numbers by default can't be prime. And the second rule is that the number must only be divisible by itself and 1. So for example, the number 3, it is greater than 1 and it is only divisible by the number 1 and the number 3. There are no other numbers that go into it, or at least whole numbers, and so it is prime. Let's power up our prime number sorting machine and we will put these rules to the test. The number 1. So our very first rule was that a number must be greater than 1. So sadly for the number 1, we must say goodbye. The number 2. Well, we have our first number that passes the first rule, 2 is greater than 1. And let's look at its factors. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2, meaning it can only be divided by itself and 1. So 2 is prime. Three. I told you in the introduction that 3 was prime, so we've already cheated there. But the pattern that is important to notice with the number 3 and all primes is that they just have 2 factors. So the second that you notice that there's more than that, then you know that they're not prime. What about number 4? 4 is greater than 1. However, it has more than 2 factors because 2 is also a factor of 4 because 4 can be divided by it. So into the reject pile it goes. Number 5, greater than 1, only divisible by itself and 1 as I can't think of any other factors, prime. Now what I'm going to do is speed things up and just let you practice on your own. So race the machine and see if you can figure out whether a number is prime or not prime by the time it gets sorted by the machine. Good luck. So that's all of our single digit numbers done. We will move on to double digits, but I don't want to just do one number then the next number. We're going to take bigger gaps now. I'm going to join in with you and we're going to try and do it quickly. Okay, 13. I can't think of any other factors other than 13 and 1. Think of prime. 15. Instantly I think of 5 because 3 times 5, so 3 and 5, not prime. 19. Can't think of any that go into it. 7 is close at 21, prime. 21. 7 goes into it. 7 times 3. And our last one. And 9 times 3 equals 27. Not prime. And those are our rules of prime numbers. A prime number is only divisible by itself and 1. And a prime number is always greater than 1.